Hello friends, welcome to this kitchen. Today we are making something beautiful, colorful and delicious with cassava. Isn't that exciting? Join me as I take you through the step-by-step of making colorful cassava candy or cassava cake. So the major ingredient that we need for making this recipe is some fresh cassava. As you can see, I've gotten some here that I've started peeling. After peeling, I set aside and repeated the same process for the remaining cassava. And once I'm done with the peeling of the cassava, I went ahead to wash the cassava, then cut them into smaller pieces. And after cutting, I opened up the cassava to remove the strand in between the cassava. Please, it's important you remove this strand in between the cassava so that the candy can come out very beautiful. And after cutting and removing the strand in between, this is how they look like. They look very clean. Next, I'm going to add them to a cooking pot. As you can see, I've already added water to the pot. So I just add it to the cooking pot, cover, take to the stove top, cook until it becomes done. And after cooking and they become very soft, this is how they look like. So the next step is to mash them with a potato masher until they become very smooth. If you don't have a potato masher, you can get anything to mash them, provided they become very smooth. Because the smoother it is, the more beautiful the candy comes out. And after mashing the boiled cassava and it becomes very smooth, now we'll proceed to the next step of making our candy. I'll set the potato masher aside. Then go in with some little salt and about 3 tablespoons of sugar. And lastly, I will add to it some drop of vanilla essence. Then mix together until it is well combined. And after combining the ingredients with the cassava, next we add some cassava starch to it. The cassava starch helps the dough to become more firm. Mix together thoroughly to be well combined. After mixing together, you can see that the cassava dough has become stronger. Now we set this aside. And to a separate bowl, added some portion of the cassava dough. And to the dough in the separate plate, added blue food coloring. Then mix together until the color combined properly with the cassava dough. And after mixing and it is properly combined, this is how it looks like. Isn't this beautiful? And now let's mold into our desired shape. To do this, we need some all-purpose flour and some light brown sugar. And I also have here oven tray lined with parchment paper. I'll set this aside. To start, I added some flour to my palm so that the cassava dough doesn't stick to my palm. Then I cut some of the dough and placed on my palm. Next, I flatten. Then add little of the brown sugar at the middle of the dough. Next, I bring the dough together carefully. And after bringing the dough together, I roll on both palms to my preferred shape. You can see this is how it looks like. I'll set aside, then repeat the same process for the remaining ones. Again, added some flour to my palm, took some of the cassava dough, then flattened the dough on my palm. And after flattening the dough on my palm, added little of the brown sugar, Then bring the dough together. After bringing together, roll with my both palm. And then add to the oval tray. Then repeat the same process for the remaining dough. And after molding the blue shape, this is how they look like. I'll set aside. And now let's make the yellow color. To my bowl, I added some cassava dough. Then added some drop of yellow food color. Mix together until it is properly combined. And once properly combined, we begin to mold into shapes the way we made the blue one. So I add some flour to my pan. Add the cassava dough. Flatten the dough on my pan. Add some little brown sugar at the middle of the dough. Fold the dough together gently. Then roll with my both palms to form my desired shape. You can actually use this to make any shape of your choice. And after rolling, this is how it looks like. Add to the oval tray and set aside. Repeat the same process for the remaining ones. And after making the blue and the yellow color, I proceeded to make other beautiful colors with the cassava dough. I made red color, green color, pink color, and orange color. This all looks stunning and beautiful. And after mixing the cassava dough with different colors and molding them into shapes, this is how they look like. These look very colorful. Go ahead to bake them. And after baking them, this is how they look like. And now we have a delicious well-baked cassava candy. These are not just beautiful cassava candy, but also taste very delicious. Try this today and let me know how it came out for you in the comments. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.